Okay, my dear students, today we will discuss about objective key set 1, 2, 3. All the three sets, objective questions, answers we will discuss today. Yesterday we did case study and 5 marks. Let us today about objective, what are the correct answers. Can you hear me? Yes, okay. This is set 1. First we will discuss set 1 objective. This is from polynomials. In set 1, first question is from polynomials. So what it is given here, P of x. P of x is given as 3x square plus 6x plus k, and it is also given alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, by using this information we have to find the value of k. Here alpha plus beta is there, alpha into beta is there. You know how to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Here b is 6. So minus 6 by a is 3. So what it is? Minus 2. Alpha plus beta is minus 2. And what is alpha into beta? C by a. What is C? K. What is a? 3. K by 3. So these two we have to substitute here. Now if you substitute these two here, minus 2 plus k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. We have to find out alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, and substitute in that. Then if you take LCM here, minus 6 plus k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. What happens? 3 will be cancelled. Minus 6 plus k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. So which option? K is equal to 4 is D. So option D. Question number 1 is option D. 1 second. Is not coming clear. Hope you can see board better now. There is no fluctuation now. I think now you can see it better, all of you. So first question option is what? Option D, set 1. Set 1 objective. First question answer is option D. Now let's see what is next question. Question 2. Yeah, like this question is given. So here what it is given, we know x is equal to 1. They have given x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of two equations. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 is the solution of two equations. First equation is 2x minus 3y plus a is equal to 0. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute x and y in this because it is the solution. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus a is equal to 0. What happens? 2 minus 6 plus a is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? Minus 6 plus a is equal to 0. This is minus 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So minus 4 plus a is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 4. We got a value. And next what we want? Second equation. Second equation is what? 2x plus 3y minus b is equal to 0. So what it is? 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 minus b is equal to 0. So 2 plus 6 minus b is equal to 0. 8 minus b is equal to 0. By this, b is equal to 8. Now if you observe carefully options, we have a is equal to 2b. Is a 2 times of b? No. Next to 2a is equal to b. Yes. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Means what? 2a is equal to b is correct option. 2a is equal to b is correct option. So option B is correct. Second question answer option B is correct. Namaste. Hope you are understanding now. Is video clear? Right, now let's see the next question. One more question, question number 3. It is given the midpoint of P and Q lies on midpoint of P and Q, where it lies on x-axis, y-axis, origin, or neither x-axis nor y-axis. You can see clearly what is the midpoint of P and Q. Midpoint formula we have to find out. So what it is? Minus 4 plus 4 by 2 comma 5 plus 6 by 2. Clearly it is what? 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0 comma 11 by 2, 5.5. 0 comma 5.5. When x coordinate is 0, in a point if x coordinate is 0, where it lies? When x coordinate is 0, point lies on y-axis. Therefore 0 comma 5.5 lies on y-axis. So which option is correct here? Option B again. Question number 3, option B. Y-axis is correct. Now going to next question. Question number 4. If theta is an acute angle, we have to find out the value of theta here. So what it is given? 7 plus 4 sin theta is equal to 9. You can type your answer what you have answered before, question number and answer. From this what we can write? 4 sin theta is equal to 9 minus 7. So what? 4 sin theta is equal to 2. So sin theta is equal to 2 by 4. Sin theta is equal to 2 by 4 after cancellation. What it is? 1 by 2. So at what angle we have sin theta 1 by 2? theta is equal to 30 degrees because sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Fourth one, option B, correct. Fourth one is option B, that is correct. Now the next one, the value of tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into secant theta. What is fifth one? Did you answer? It is tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Secant theta into secant theta again. Secant theta into secant theta is what? Tan square, secant square theta. So tan square theta minus secant square theta, result is, so if you take minus common, what happens here? Minus of secant square theta minus tan square theta. We have an identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So this result is minus of 1, which is minus 1. Minus 1. Question number 5. Option C is correct. Question number 5, option C is correct. Now let's see next one. Question number 6. In question number 6, they have, question is about LCM and HCF. So first we have to find HCF of these two. We know 98 can be written as 2 into 49, that is 2 power 1 into 7 power 2. And 28 can be written as 4 into 7, which is 2 power 2 into 7 power 1. Then we find out HCF, what we do? HCF of 98 comma 28. We take only common factors 2 and 7 and their lowest power 2 power 1, 7 power 1, which is 14. Similarly, LCM of 98 comma 28 is 2 power 2, 7 power 2, that is 196, because 4 into 49, 4 into 49, 196. So this is M. M is equal to 14 and N is equal to 196. We want the value of N minus 7M. What it is? 196 minus 7 into 14. That is 196 minus 98, which is 98. So which is option? Which option is correct? Option C is correct. Question number 6. Option C is correct. Right, correct. Now the next one. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, tangents drawn at the ends of the extremities of diameter of a circle are always. What is question number 7 answer? It is direct, nothing to be calculated. You have to take the diameter for a circle. These are the ends or extremities of the diameter. You have to draw the tangents at the extremities. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. Now we have to decide how they are. How they are parallel. So option A is correct. Question number 7. Option A is correct. They are parallel. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is about triangles. So here what? Triangles ABC and DEF. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle F is equal to angle C. AB is equal to 3DE. So here what? Two triangles are given. One is ABC and other is DEF. In these two triangles, what it is given? Angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. So what if two angles, you know, in two triangles, if you know two angles equal, we can say two triangles are similar. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF or not. Yes, they are similar. But to decide they are congruent, it is not enough to know AB is equal to 3DE. We have to know AB is equal to DE. Because AB is not equal to DE, corresponding sides are not equal, so it is not congruent, it is only similar. So two triangles are similar but not congruent. Which option? Option D is correct. Question number 8. Option D. Question number 9. We want this result to be equal to 0. Now we know the first result is 1 already, because minus 1 whole to the power of 8 is 1. Then second result should be minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to minus 1 when n is odd. If it is minus 1, then overall result will be 0. So what is the answer? Option C. Ninth one, option C. Option C is correct. Now question number 10. The polynomial shown in the graph. What did you answer? Question number 10. Question number 10 answer. Question number 10 answer. Question, the number of distinct zeros of both the polynomials is. See here, first question, how many distinct zeros it is having? Suppose if polynomial is given, diagram is given like this, how many zeros are there? 2 distinct zeros for the first polynomial. Even for second polynomial also we have 2 distinct zeros. So for both the polynomials, how many distinct zeros are there? For both the polynomials there are 2 distinct zeros. So the option C is correct. Question number 10, option C is correct. Both the polynomials are having 2 distinct zeros. Right. Now question number 11. Question number 11. Here what? Sum of n terms it is given. Sum of n terms formula. Sn is equal to, it is given, 2m square plus 3m. Sm is given. And they are asking to find out second term. So how can we find second term? There are, you can find out S1 first. S1 is what? 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So A1 is equal to, or S1 is equal to 5. Now similarly we can also find S2. S2 is what? 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2, which is 2 into 4 plus 5, that is 2 4 is 8 plus 5, 13. This is S2. Then you know S2 is nothing but A1 plus A2. Then A2 is equal to S2 minus S1 or A1. Already we know A1 is 5. Then A2 is what? A2 is S2 13 minus A1 5. Where we went wrong? 2 5 is 8. Okay, this is 6. 3 2 is 6 it is. So in that case what it is? 14. This is 14. So what it is? 14 minus 5. So A2 is equal to 14 minus 5, which is 9. Option B. Question number 11, option B is correct. Yeah, I made a mistake. That is 3 into 2, 6. So 8 plus 6, 14. Then we have to follow like this. We get A2 is equal to 9. Your correct option, question number 11 is option B. Option B is correct. Now question number 12. It is given mode. Mode is equal to, it is given as 15x. And one more information, mean is equal to, given mean is equal to 18x. Mode is equal to 15x, mean is equal to 18x. Then we want median. We have a relation. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So substitute in this. Mode is 15x, right? 15x is equal to 3, median we don't know, median only, minus 2 into mean is 18x, right? 18x. Then we get here 15x is equal to 3 median minus 36x. Transpose 36x this side, then we get median is equal to 15x plus 36x, which is 51x. Transpose 3 that side, median is equal to 51x by 3, which is 17x. 17x, option C is correct. 21x, how did you get 21x? 51x by 3, 51x by 3, which is 17x. 17x is correct answer. Now the next one, question number 12 over. Question number 13. Do you remember how many red color face cards are there? A card is selected at random from a deck of 52 playing cards. The probability of it being a red face card. We have total 12 face cards. In that 6 are in red color, 6 are in black color. So how many is red face cards? 6 red face cards will be there. So probability of a red face card is what? 6 by total 52. After cancellation it is 3 by 26. So option D is correct. Question number 13, option D is correct. Okay, now question number 14. Question number 14. Which of the following is a rational number between root 3 and root 5? Yeah, did you do it? What is the option? We can, yeah, 14th, correct. 14th option is D, because root 3 is approximately 1.73 and root 5 is approximately 2.2 something, so on, not exactly, so on, because they are irrational numbers. Now we want a rational number in these two. First one is not correct because it is an irrational number, non-terminating, non-repeating. Third is also not correct because pi is irrational number. Second is rational number, but it is not between 1.73 and 2.2 because it is 2.3 something. So this is also not correct. Only this is correct. Option D is correct because it is a rational number and it is lying between 1.73 something and 2.2 something. So what? Which answer is correct? Option D is correct. 14th one, option D. Now the next. Question number 15. If a sector of a circle has an area of 40 pi, so area of sector it is given, area of sector is equal to 40 pi, and one more what it is given, central angle x degrees is equal to 72 degrees. This is 72 degrees. Now area of a sector formula is what? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square is equal to 40 pi, because they given area 40 pi. So now what we can do, pi we can cancel. X is how much? 72. 72 by 360 into r square is equal to 40. Now what we do, transpose this 72 by 360 other side, r square is equal to 40 into 360 by 72. Now 36 2s are 36 10s are 2 1s are 2 20s are. So r square is equal to, we got 20 into 10, 20 into 10 is 200. but 200 is not a square number, so r is what? Root of 200. Do you have option root of 200 there? No. So what? R can also be written as 100 into 2. Now root 100 is what? 10. Because root 100 is 10, it is 10 root 2. 10 root 2 units. So option D is correct. Question number 15, option D is correct. Option D, question number 15. Now question number 16. In question number 16, we know this is 115 degrees. Angle POB is equal to 115 degrees. Angle POB, we know 115 degrees. You know angle AOP is what? Because they both are linear pair of angles, therefore angle AOP is equal to 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115 is 65 degrees. Angle AOP is 65 degrees. And we know angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. This is 90, this is 65. We want this. Angle APO we want. So what is angle APO? Angle APO plus 65 plus 115 is equal to 180 degrees. So what? Angle APO plus sum of these two is how much? Oh, this is not 115, this is 90. Then this is 155 is equal to 180 degrees. Then what? Angle APO is equal to 180 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 115 degrees. 155 degrees. So angle APO is equal to 180 minus 155 is 25 degrees. Option 25 degrees is option A. Question number 16, option A is correct. What about other students? Did you answer all these questions correct or not? You can type your option, what did you select in the exam. This is question number 17, applications of trigonometry. Question number 17, what did you select? Here a kite is flying at a height 150 meters. So this is what? 150 meters. It is attached to a string inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. So like this it is there, figure 30 degrees. The length of the string is, this is what the length of the string. So which ratio we have to use? Opposite side and hypotenuse. We have to use sine. Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 150 by x. So x is equal to 150 into 2, which is 300 meters. X is what? 300 meters. Option B is correct. Question number 17, option B is correct. Let us see question number 18, what it is. Question number 18, what is given in question number 18? A piece of wire 20 centimeters long is bent into the form of an arc. So it is given arc like this, it is bent, and length of this piece it is given. So how much it is? 20 centimeters. So what it is given, you know, length of the arc is given, L, and one more what it is given, radius is also given. This is radius. Radius is given 60 by pi. 60 by pi. They are asking to find the center of the angle, angle subtended by the arc at the center. This angle we have to find out, x degrees we have to find out. Then here what formula we have to know? Length of the arc is equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Length of the arc is given as 20. 20 is equal to x by 360 into 2 into pi into r. R is 60 by pi. So here pi will be cancelled. 60 ones are 66 it will be cancelled. Again 2 ones are 2 3s it will be cancelled. Transpose 3 here. Then x is equal to 3 2s are 6. So 60 degrees. So what is the angle here? 60 degrees is the angle. Hope you understood this. 60 degrees is the correct one. Now the next, assertion and reasoning. In this first one, question number 19, the probability of selecting a number at random from the numbers 1 to 20. So here what happens, whenever they did not ask you to select one particular number like 2, 3, 4, any number you can select. Probability of selecting a randomly from 1 to 20 is 1 only, because any number can be taken, any number can be selected. All the total positive outcomes are favorable outcomes there. Probability will be 1. This is true. Assertion is true. Even for any event E, if P of E is equal to 1, then E is called sure event. Yes, this is also true. Reason is true. But here reason is not correct explanation of assertion. That's why here option B is correct for 19th. What did you select for 19th question answer? A is true. The probability of selecting any number randomly from 1 to 20, any number you can select. Whatever number you select, that will be considered as favorable only there. Okay. And the next question, question number 20. If we join two hemispheres of same radius along their bases, then we get a sphere. Question number 20. Yes, when you attach two hemispheres, we get a sphere. True, when same radius they are having, we get a sphere, that is true. And the total surface area of a sphere is 3 pi r square. This is wrong because it is 4 pi r square. So what it is? Assertion is true. Reason is false. So what? Option B is correct. These are the objective questions. Objective question solutions for set 1. Now let's see for set 2. Set 2. This one just now we have done set 1 already. Do you remember what answer we got here? This is 25 degrees. Already we did just now. This is 65. This is 90. So this is 25 degrees. Option A, set 2. And here also this question we have done just now. Question number 2. What we got here? 30 degrees. No, not 30 degrees. Option B. 60 degrees we got. In the previous, when we are discussing about set 1, we discussed about this. This is 60 degrees. Next. This one is new. It is not there in set 1. The 3 numbers in AP have the sum 30. Then whenever like this it comes, you have to take the numbers like this. A minus D is one number, A is one number, A plus D is one number. Then what happens? A minus D plus A plus D is equal to given as 30. And what happens? Minus d plus d will be cancelled. 3 times a is equal to 30. That means a is equal to 30 by 3. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Which option? Option B is correct. Because we want the middle term is A only. 32 objective we are discussing now. Okay. Now question number 4. An arc of a circle of length 5 pi and the sector it bounds has an area of 20 pi centimeter square. Then radius is, here what it is given, length of the arc is given 5 pi and area of sector is also given, area of sector is given 20 pi. Now we have to find out the radius. We know we have two formulas for area of a sector. One is area is equal to x by 360 degrees into pi r square. But we need here angle theta, and one more, area is equal to LR by 2, length into radius by 2. So this will be easy here. If you use this formula, we get easily what is radius, because you know A and L. So here A is how much? 20 pi. 20 pi is equal to L is how much? 5 pi into R we don't know, by 2. Transpose 2 here, then we get 5 pi R. 5 pi R is equal to 40 pi. We can cancel pi, then R is equal to 40 by 5, which is R is equal to 8 centimeters. R is equal to 8 centimeters. Which option? Option D is correct. Now, the next question, question number 5. The question number 5, this one already we have done in set A. We got A is equal to 4 in the solution and B is equal to 8, and we got 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That's why 2A is equal to B. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. For question number 5, option B is correct. Question number 6 is also done. Before we have done the set 1, that is because first polynomial is having two different zeros, one more polynomial is also having two different zeros. So for both the polynomials, number of different zeros is 2. Option C is correct. This is 6. Can you hear me now? Okay. Yes, now that is 1 by 2 option B. Now coming to 8th question, question number 8. What is given in question number 8? A card is selected at random. Okay, red face card. We discussed just now, it is 6 by 26, 6 by 52. After cancellation, it is 3 by 26. Option D is correct. Question number 8. Question number 9. Yes, it is a big one. In question number 9, we got k is equal to 4 because alpha plus beta is minus 3 plus alpha into beta is k by 3 minus 2, it is minus 2 k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 6 plus k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3, 3 cancel, k is equal to minus 2 plus 6, k is equal to 4. We already did it in the set 1 also, that is option D. This also we have done. This is tan square theta minus secant square theta, which is minus 1. Option C is correct. Question number 10, option C is correct, because these questions are there in set 1 also. Here also, these are also we have done before. This is what? Option D, because it is a rational number lying between root 3 and root 5. This is also we have done. We got m is equal to 14 and n is equal to 196. We got n minus 7m. Is equal to 196 minus 7 into 14, we got 98. Option C is correct. This is also we have done before. Question number 13 was not done before. Question number 13 was not done before. The length of the card of a circle is equal to its radius, then the angle subtended by the center, card at the center. So what it is given here? Length of the card, this one x suppose, and that is also equal to its radius. Means what? This is x, if this is x, this is also x. All the three sides of the triangle are equal, then what happens? Each angle will be 60 degrees. So angle at the center also it will be 60 degrees. So option A is correct. Question number 13. Option A is correct. Now question number 14. This is new again. When you want a number which divides 70 and 165, leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively, it can be done in two ways, because options are already there. These two are the bigger than these two, so these two are not correct options. Even 65, when you divide 70, we get remainder 5, but here 65 one time only we do, we get 60 here remainder, but not 8. So this is also not correct option. Only 13, when you divide 70, we get 13 5 is 65, remainder 5, 13 9 is 117, and the remainder 8. 13 is the correct option. But if it is given for subjective, how to do, I will explain. If it is given for subjective, this type of questions, first we have to subtract 5 from 70, which is 65. Again subtract 8 from 125, we get 117. Now we have to find out HCF of these two. 65 is equal to 5 into 13 and 117 is equal to 9 into 13, or 3 power 2 into 13. So what is common factor here? 13. So HCF of these two is what? 13. 13
is the correct option. Question number 14, answer is 13. Now question number 15. Let's see question number 15. A ladder 14 meters long leans against a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 7 meters from the wall, then the angle of elevation of top of the wall is. So here there is a wall, this is ground, this is ladder. What it is given? 14 meters long. So length of the ladder is 14 meters, hypotenuse is 14 meters, and height of the wall, if the foot of the ladder is 7 meters from the wall, foot of the ladder is here, this is wall, so this distance is what? 7 meters. Then what they are asking to find in the angle of elevation of top of the wall is. So this angle we have to find out. Okay, x if you take, so what? Because these are adjacent and hypotenuse, we have to take cos x, because cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse. 7 by 14, 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2 at what angle we get in cos? At 60 degrees. Cos x is equal to cos 60 degrees. So therefore x is equal to what? 60 degrees. X is equal to 60 degrees. So which option? Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now question number 15. This was done before. They are similar but not congruent because sides are not equal. Sides are not equal, they are similar but not congruent. Option D is correct. Question number 16. Question number 17 we did before because it is 0, 5.5. Midpoint is 0, 5.5. 0, 5.5 lies on y-axis. Option B is correct. Question number 18. Question number 18 we did before this one also. Question number 18 we got 17x. We used the empirical relation, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. We got answer 17x. Option C correct. Now assertion and reasoning, just now we discussed about these two. Here 19th and 20th are interchanged. So this is D, 19 is D, no, not 19 D. Assertion is true but reason is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. So option C, and this one option B. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Okay, over. Now set 3 objective. Set 3 objective. This first question is not there in set 1 or set 2. What is the mode of a data if the median and mean of the same data are, mode we want, mode is equal to median 9.6. So 3 into 9.6 minus 2 into mean 10.5. So what? 3 6 is 18, 1 3 9 is 27, 1 28. 28.8 minus this is 21. So 28.8 minus 21 is what? 7.8. 7.8 is option A. Question number 1, option A. Now question number 2. Oh, this is also different question. It was not there before. Question number 2, what we can do here? Tan A is sin A by cos A into cosecant A is 1 by sin A whole square minus sin A into 1 by cos, secant A is what? 1 by cos A whole square. So here what? Sin A will be cancelled. then what we get, 1 by cos A whole square minus sin A by cos A whole square, which is secant square A minus tan square A, which is further 1, because secant square A minus tan square A is 1. Option 1 is correct. Option B is correct. Option B is correct, second one. Now let's see third one. This one we have done before. Length of the string like this. This angle is 30 degrees and height is 150. We used sine. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is 150 by x. X is equal to 300. Option B. Question number 3, option B we got. Okay, question number 4, it is already we got before also. What it is? Similar but not congruent. Similar but not congruent. Question number 4, similar but not congruent. Question number 5 also we have done before, that is 4 sin theta is equal to 9 minus 7, 2 we get. Sin theta is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, then theta is equal to 30 degrees. Option B is correct here. Fifth one, option B is correct. Now question number 6, it was there in all the 3 sets. What it is? Answer 2, because 2 distinct zeros for each polynomial. Now question number 7, this is also there in all the 3 sets. This is 65, this is 90, this is 25. So option A is correct. Next question number 8, this also we have done before. What we got answer here? 60 degrees. We got answer 60 degrees. We used area of sector formula, length of arc formula, we got 60 degrees. Just after this, question number 9 was there before also. What is the answer here? 98. And this one also we got before, 10. The rational number between root 3 and root 5 is option D, 1.85742. 7142. Question number 11, this was not done before. In question number 11, just they are asking sum of zeros of the polynomial. Very simple. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial is minus b by a. So minus of minus 7 by 5, which is equal to 7 by 5. Where we have 7 by 5, option B is correct. Question number 11, option B. Question number 12 was there in all the 3. We already did before. We got 2a is equal to b. 2a is equal to b. Question number 12. Now question number 13 also we have done before. Question number 13 we got 10 root 2. Answer is 10 root 2 because the discussion was done before in the previous set. Tangents drawn at the ends of the extremities are parallel. Tangents at the ends of the diameter are parallel. Option A is correct. 14th. 15th, this n should be odd. If n is odd, it becomes minus 1 and this becomes plus 1, total 0. So what should be n here? Odd number. So option C is correct. 15th one, option C is correct. Now question number 16. The end points of a diameter of a circle are 2, 4 and minus 3, minus 1. Then the length of its radius is. So here end points of diameter are given. So we can find out diameter first. What is the diameter? The distance between 2 points. So what? Root of minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 whole square, which is root of what it is?
minus 5 whole square minus 5 whole square, which is root of 25 plus 25, which is root of 50. We can write it as root of 25 into 2, which can also be written as 5 root 2. This is what diameter, but we want only radius. What is the radius? Diameter is equal to 5 root 2, then radius is equal to 5 root 2 by 2. Radius is equal to 5 root 2 by 2. Option A. This is new one that was not there in the previous two sets. Okay, now question number 17. We have given 11th term. 11th term A 11 is equal to 39. What is the common difference they are asking? So by this what we know, A plus 10D is equal to 39. One more, what it is given? A 13. A 13 is equal to 45. So by this we write A plus 12D is equal to 45. Now what if you subtract these two? A plus 12D minus A minus 10D is equal to 45 minus 39. What happens? Plus A minus A will be cancelled. 12D minus 10D is 2D. 2D is equal to 45 minus 39 is 6. Therefore D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. Option D is correct. Right, now the next question, 18th question, was there before or not? No, it was not there in previous sets. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is a spade or a king? How many spades are there? Number of spades are 13 and number of kings are 4. Okay, but we want spade or king. Then total how many cards will be there? One king will be there in spades. So total number of favorable cards will be 13 plus 4, because one card is common, spade, king of spade is common, that should be subtracted, because here king of spade is there, here also king of spade is there, that should be taken only one time. So subtract 1. 13 plus 4, 17 minus 1, 16 are the favorable. 16 are the favorable and total are 52. So the probability is what? 16 by 52, which is 4 4s are 16, 4 13s are. So answer is what? 4 by 13. 4 by 13 is correct option for question number 18. Now assertion and reasoning are same like before. This is what? Question number 19. This is option B. Question number 20, it is not here, but previously we have done. Question number 20 is assertion is true, reason is false, that is C. Question number 20 is option C. So now you can guess how many marks in objective, how many marks you are going to score. Tomorrow, if possible, if time is there, I will discuss about short answer type 2 marks and 3 marks questions. Already we discussed in yesterday's class about 5 marks and 4 marks. Hope all of you have done well. Thank you.